Greetings. You may have thought that slavery was a thing of the past, but it still is happening in the kilns in Pakistan. Children age 8 and older are enslaved in the kilns to make bricks morning till night. They are illiterate, they're downtrodden, just babes caught in a modern day slavery. Children being sold to pay back their parents' debt. But praise the Lord, the story doesn't end there. We are ready to help. February 1st, 2022, on the one day that children are not forced to work, we are starting a school. Every Saturday, these children will be able to attend and learn the 3 R's: reading, writing, and arithmetic. A local church has opened its doors to allow us to use their facility. This is an exciting adventure to be able to help these poor children. The only way really to come out of poverty and to come out of slavery is to, number 1, know Jesus. Number 2 is to be educated. I thank the Lord that He's given me a Christian lady, a Victory Christian lady, to be part of my team in Pakistan. And she'll be actually taking care of the school. She has 16 years experience as a teacher in Pakistan, and she attends a Victory Church. In fact, her husband is a pastor of a Victory Church. School will start with porridge for each child in the morning, a hot meal in the afternoon, and learning for the rest of the day. What a privilege to be able to do the work of the Lord, to be His hands extended to a hurting world. I encourage you to go to Google and Google kilns in Pakistan, and you will see this horror firsthand and be glad we can and will help. Should you find it in your heart to partner with us to reach these children, I will be thrilled to hear from you. Matthew 10:42 says, "Whoever gives one of these little ones only a cup of water in the name of a disciple, assuredly, I say to you, he shall by no means lose his reward."
Here are some ways you can give. In your country of residence, you can choose to give through your local church and designate the funds to Victory Children's Homes. Alternatively, in Canada, please phone 403-286-8337 or e-transfer to mbika@victoryint.org. In the USA, please phone 225-406-0004 or email almpastor@yahoo.com. In the UK, please phone 01889-576-246 or email admin@victorychurchrugeley.co.uk.